Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can join a marketplace or how you can market on marketplace on Facebook. So what you want to do is when you're in home, go to third menu, which is going to be marketplace. And right here you're gonna see, okay, marketplace, you can find something. And you want to click sell. And now you have option to sell a car, items, homes for sale or jobs, item. And now you just add a photo here. Let's say that I want to sell this thing here. Title, baby. I wanted to sell like around, I don't know how it's called in English, but let's say we want to sell a baby. Price is going to be 1 million euro. Category, baby products. That's right. Kids clothing. Yeah, the price is high, but it's understandable price. Condition, new. It's a baby of our friend, like it's okay. And add an item variant, you can change like size, only one. Or you can add like, I don't know, brand or your own variant. It's like up to you. 42, right? Like if you have like shoes, description, you just add here description about it. Then you're gonna see like tags here. Tags are about like, let's say baby, right? Baby clothing. Okay, list as a single item, or you can list it as a stock. You can also hide it from friends and you can offer shipping. So this is pretty much it how you do it. Click next. And now where you want to list it, you can list it publicly or suggested groups. You can sell it in multiple groups if you want to, and then just click publish. And this is how you can simply sell something on marketplace on Facebook. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.